Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to remove the instrument cluster from a 1999 new body style to 2007 classic GM truck SUV. So this applies to your Yukons, Tahoes, Escalades, Sierras, Silverados, all of them. They're all done the same. Even though from 99 to 02 and 03 to 07 it's a different instrument cluster, the procedure for removing it's the same. So let's go ahead and get in there and pull that out. So first thing you're going to do is pull this guy off. So you got to tilt your steering column all the way down, turn it to the run position, move the shifter all the way down, and then just pull straight back. That comes right off. You set it up there out of the way. Then you're going to need yourself a 7mm socket, and I have to kind of tilt it up to get to the bottom ones, and then just unscrew all four. There's 4 screws going all around. And that's all there is to it. You got your instrument cluster out. So you saw, kind of tilt it, pull up, and then there's a tab on the top of this where it clips on right there. Just pull down that tab and pull straight out, and that's all there is to removing it. On your 03 to 07, you're going to find that it's not on top, it's on the back. Same thing, tabs up top, just pull like that, comes right off. So that's the procedure for removing it. Installing it is just do the reverse. Since this is a junkyard, I'm not going to bother screwing it back in, but just take this, set her back on there. And that's all there is to it. See you guys in the next video.